Good morning, DJ. Good morning. How you doing? It's Tuesday, February 4th. The time is currently 9:13 a.m. What's up, Daily Journal? What it do? Today I woke up at 7:15, okay, didn't get out of bed until like 7:21-ish, okay. Um, Hold on, let me make sure I'm not closing this thing, you know what I'm saying? Um, Yep, woke up, didn't hydrate yet actually, but I've got something here to drink and stuff. All right, so um wrote down my goals, I stretched, I meditated, okay, and I was able to read, got my morning routine in, okay. So woke up by a decent hour today, so I'm happy and pleased with that, okay. Arrived at my desk at like nine some I would say maybe 9:06-ish, all right, just to prepare and get ready for today. Okay. I actually had plenty of time this morning. I made a morning smoothie, got my kombucha here, got my green smoothie here. All right. I'll be drinking every morning now because I'm a healthy girl now. Trying to work on this stomach, Trying to get some six-pack abs, man. Been working on it my whole life. I got the African pot belly thing going on here, but I'm trying to work on it, I'm trying to work on it. But yeah, anyway, got to my desk at 9:06. Okay. As always, my weekly target is 5%. I almost lost that day. And my daily target is my two bullets going in today. Mental check-in. I'm feeling pretty good. I'm feeling pretty excited and hyped. Yesterday I listened to a Shotgun Saturday by ICT, one of his old ones. I just have them on repeat and I just listen to it just to obviously refresh my memory and jog some things that I've learned and stuff. Just to be in the moment, okay, so I can continuously learn and seeking excellence. That's always like I say. Okay, and the one I listened to yesterday was talking about like starting new and not expecting trades every day to be in trades every day, which is something I've been doing. So I took a trade on my funded account yesterday. Okay, it resulted in a loss. It was two trades. It resulted in a loss. So I'm done trading on that account for the remainder of this week. Okay, so moving forward for this week will be just demo trading. Okay, I'm done with that account for the week, and that's it. We're gonna trade demo and we're gonna tape read for the rest of the week. All right. So and then we'll get back on that account next week. Okay, that's how I'm gonna do it moving forward. Just one trade a week for now. Okay, whether it's a win or lose, that's it. I'm done on that account for the week, and then I'll tape read and demo trade for the remainder of the week just to see how the trade pan out, just to build more confidence. And when obviously I can confidently obviously be able to get in trades, then I'll go back to trading every day on that account. But starting off trading every day on that account is a no-no. Okay, that's what ICT told me. So I'm in a space where I'm ready to listen to him. He's the leader. I'm the follower. If he says to do this, that's what I'm doing. Okay, that's where I'm at. Right. So let's get into it. All right. So yeah, that was my mental check-in. So I'm in a pretty good headspace. I understand why he says to do that because yeah, I just understand. But yeah, anyway, risk disclaimers going in today. Yesterday I took two losses, like I just mentioned. Okay, both at one. All right, so we'll be staying at. Well, we'll be demo trading anyway, so it depends really. I'll use one and two really. I won't go any more than two contracts on that demo account, regardless of what's going on. Um, hmm. Oh. I skipped like two things, went to the risk, went to determine risk already. Anyway, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. Let's go. So today we have medium impact news coming out at 10. Okay, on the Forest Factory, it actually has it as don't worry, I fixed this before I came on here. Okay, it was doing the same shit it usually does. Forest Factory is a high impact news. Okay, and we have this new. We have President Trump speaking at 5:10. Will be done by then anyway. So whatever he's got to say is not going to affect us. Um, so we have news, so we can go ahead and determine our risk, which we already jumped ahead and done already. So risk going in, we're looking at one to two contracts, but either tape reading or demo trading. Okay, so no, nothing going on in terms of unfunded account trading just for the remainder of the week. Regardless of how it pans out, okay, I'm cool with that. I've come to terms with it, and I understand why I'm doing that. So that it's got a higher purpose. Okay, so I'm not fixated on the money right now. Okay, so we determine the risk. Weekly program. Yeah. I actually didn't have a time, or I had the time, I just didn't do it. I didn't go back and analyze to see if my quick promptu weekly program that I did yesterday is what's going on. But like I said yesterday, I'm in a sell program for this week. Okay. So let's go ahead and review price action overnight to see if anything's happened to change that perspective. Okay. All right. So dollar failed to fill in that weekly CB that we were anticipating for it to fill. Okay. We got a tiny, tiny CB in here, okay, that prices retrace them or could keep price lower, okay, depending on how it behaves in here. But we failed to we're creating relative equal highs here and is retracing, okay, lower. Okay, we will be much better on the daily and the 4 hour to see where price could potentially be going to, okay. So as you can see here, what is this? Mhm. Be a daily, no? Anyway, I'll use it here. As you can see, we have a daily BC in here. Okay, the price is currently in. I want to see this key price higher if it's gonna continue going higher. Okay, but we had a huge drop down after taking buy sides here. Okay, taking these weekly buy sides, it dropped down, retraced into this daily BC. So I want to see how price behaves in here. We have a CB up in here. Okay, that's the only thing really above price. And we have this liquidity above price here. Currently at this 4 hour order block. Okay. So and yesterday's daily low, I believe. Yes, yesterday's daily low. So should use this, okay, to rally higher. I'm anticipating anyway. So still dollar is still higher for me. Okay, nothing from my current understanding of price action is telling me that it wants to go lower. Okay, we're just coming into a was it 20-day discount? Okay, and we have 60-day discount below here. Okay, so dollar higher meaning NQ should be going lower. Okay, let's go ahead and see what NQ is saying overnight. Oh, that was a sexy trade overnight, boy. Overnight and yeah, overnight as soon as price opened up at 6 p.m. actually. Anyway, NQ, okay, we gapped down from Sunday, okay, came up and filled that gap, completely filled that gap yesterday, okay. Completely fill the gap there. So depending on how price behaves in here, okay, will tell me where it wants to go to next. All right. So currently, yeah, yeah, nothing on the weekly to report right here. On the daily, we came back into this daily order block, okay, into this monthly low, okay, monthly low, and now we're expanding higher, okay, and we completely filled in the gap. All right, above price we have this high, okay, and this inefficiency, and below price we have sell side relative equal lows and this inefficiency here. Okay, so really and truly is in equilibrium of both. No, yep, actually, yeah, 20%. 20%. 20-day equilibrium is here and 60-day equilibrium here. So they're in close proximity. So we're really in at equilibrium, okay? And this is where price will tend to consolidate because we're at equilibrium of the range for the 60-day and also 20-day to look back. On the 4 hour, okay, we use this BC to expand higher to completely close in the gap from Sunday opening. Okay, completely close it in now. So I can go ahead and delete this so the price can be a little bit more clean. Okay, use this busy. Okay, price is closing well at the higher portion of that busy. Okay, wicks do the damages, the bodies tell the story. Right now, the body's saying that it could potentially go higher depending on how it behaves in this busy. But we also are inside this 4 hour CB here. Okay, so we're right in between a pre a discount array and a premium array. Okay, so it depends on how price wants to behave in here. Okay, but we're at low, so could potentially want to come higher. All right, but for now, okay, I'm sticking with the gun. We've completely closed it in. Okay, we displaced lower. All right, at that buy side, we took buy side here, displaced lower. All right, caused the fair value gap here. So this could be a 4 hour setup, just like this was a 4 hour setup here. Okay, so it could potentially be coming down to take these relative equal lows. That's my draw on liquidity for the week. Okay, so yep, nothing's really happened from my current understanding of price action right now to change my weekly program for me. Okay, it just really depends on how price behaves between these two inefficiencies. Okay, so yeah, as far as I'm concerned right now, I'm sticking with my bearish tone, okay, because dollar is still going higher, so I'm anticipating NQ to be going lower. So, yep, for my current understanding of price action, nothing has happened overnight to change my weekly program. Let's go ahead and identify the buy side and sell side on a 15-minute time frame and 1 hour time frame and translate them over to the 1 minute time frame. And then we can go ahead and talk a little bit about PM session trading yesterday and overnight session trading today. Okay, it was PM session was too sexy. We got two sexy ass trades that I want to talk to you guys about, that I want to talk to DJ about and just analyze and back test and obviously go through it and identify the setup. It was just too sexy, boy, too sexy. But anyway, let's go ahead and identify. Let's start with the 1 hour. Like I said, sometimes the monthly, okay, it's not always visible on the 1 hour. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do that. Yeah, I don't want the oh, it's only on here anyway, but it's still out. I need to adjust that. But like I was saying in my head, I don't want the, because I know yesterday I think I extended the opening range gap for the morning all the way out, and I don't want that, but we'll see. Okay, so above price currently, let's delete these. We need to put them back on, we will, but for now, we'll delete them as we go. Okay, for the ones we don't need, I believe we still need yep, we still need that, so I'll leave that there. Like we still need those, so I'll leave those there and that. Okay, so above price, okay, we have a daily sell side here. Um, I need to see if they're translating, that's the whole purpose. Okay, yeah, the sell side, all right. It says B. Oh, oh. So why is it not showing on here then? Where's my sessions? Oh, okay, I get it. Oh, the sessions rules. Oh, okay, we're not dealing with the sessions right now. Sessions will be go on M15. Okay, okay. I got to say, I see this here, but it's not here, but I get it because 1 hour. Yeah, above price, we have this sell side here, which is translated over. Cool. We have buy side. Cool. We have that. We have this monthly. Okay, we already have that there. Is that still there? Okay, yep, that's still there. So that's cool. Like if we don't need to see it, I won't, obviously make it pertinent. It's on here on the 5 minutes, so it's go there. If we need to see it, I'll go ahead and extend it over. If should price get up there. But as you can see, we have a gap up in here on the 1 hour. Wow. Yeah, we just came from the 4 hour. Taking this buy side and it's right in the premium, okay? So potential draw here. Let's go on 15. Oh no. Let's go lower. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out how I want to do this portion, okay? So bear with me until I can figure out a way. Okay. All right. To do this better, this is what we got so far. All right. Okay, this is way lower back down here, so don't need to worry about that. If the price gets there, I will worry about that then. But for now, we're good. On the sell side, let's go M15. All right, above price right now, okay. We have a daily previous low. We have Asian session high. Okay. Oh, let's not talk about the lows at the high. Above price, we have Asian session high. We have a previous days high. Okay, yesterday's high, which already price has engaged, which is what I was talking about for the overnight session here. It was a beautiful trade here. Oh, so sexy. Wow. I was watching one's price. Oh, let me drink my shit before it gets too much. Sorry, guys. I gotta drink my green smoothie. Have a monthly high and a weekly high here. Okay, below price. We also have London session high here. Okay, which price is already currently above. But it can always be a factor going into today. Okay, so we'll go ahead and draw that one out. Sync that in layout. Cool. So we have London session buy side there. Okay, and below price, okay, we have London session sell side, Asian session sell side. Okay, we have yesterday's AM session sell side, Asia session sell side from yesterday, and London session sell side from yesterday, Asia session sell side, and we have previous daily lows. So we got a bunch of sell side below price right now. Okay, so which is why I believe price would be drawn to it. Okay, opening bell. That was very anticlimactic in terms of the gap there. Let's see what the gap. Yeah, it's a tiny, tiny gap. All right, so it's right, tiny gap opening. We open here. It's above price. Okay, so we gap down. So we're in between two key levels here. Okay, so time is the most important aspect. Time will tell us what price wants to do. But for now, this is fine. We don't need to draw that one out. For the past days without. Well, I want to draw these out. Okay, I'll pay attention to them here, but I don't want to have them out right now. I have access to them. It's easy for me to see them here, so it's not something I need to have on the chart right now. When price is in close proximity to it, then I'll pay attention to it. But for now, we're good there. But let's talk about PM session. Let's talk about the PM session from yesterday. What an incredible trading. In freaking incredible. I don't think anything was clear on the 5 minute. It was really 1 minute and 30-second chart was like, whoo, sexy, sexy stuff. We had this 5 minute trade here, but really and truly nothing there. But the 1 minute though, 1 minute though, 1 minute though, 1 minute PM session was just too much, man. It was just too much. It was like back to back with it. Yeah, morning session we had this trade. I believe it still would have kept you in. Yeah, but would have kept you in there. Right there. Don't know if half risk would have kept you in. I don't think half risk would have kept. Yeah, half risk would have definitely taken you out if you half the risk there at 202. No problem. We actually got another opportunity up in here. Y'all gonna make me lose my up in here, up in. We had a micro trade set up here. Okay, that gave you two take profits here. Okay, and then we had another one here that was a banger. I think it came to take you out after 502 or something. During the micro, okay, swing low, displaces up, market structure shift A plus, fair value gap here, stop below this, +2, keeps you in. Okay, beautiful, beautiful trading, beautiful, beautiful trading. Sexy, sexy stuff. Oh, we also had a sell actually coming down. 5 minute open range buy side here was here. Okay. During the micro swing high, displacement down back below a key high, which was the opening range sell buy side. Okay. Market structure shift back below it. Okay, fair value gap. Right. +2 here would have kept you in that trade. And then we also got a secondary set up here. Even if you were taken out here, you got another set up here. Okay, that bing bang biggity bosh. You also had another set up here. Gave you a couple of take profits, okay, and then came to take you out. And micro session, okay, PM session, that was trade 1 for the PM session here, the sell, and then trade 2 for the PM session. Okay, comes down, all right, during the micro, we're already below key low, takes AM session, no, PM session low. Yeah, I believe, yeah, PM session, because I changed the colors. PM session low, okay, the V-shape entry, nice, nice, nice. This place is up. All right, we have a fair value gap here. -1 would have tagged you in here, but even if he wasn't tagged, we have a higher fair value gap here. Okay, you would have been tagged in that. Bing bang, biggity bosh, and I believe this trade. Oh, it's not gonna go in. Yeah, it comes and takes you out. It would have come and taken you out already, no? Yeah, it would have come and taken you out. Bing bang, biggity bosh. And then, all right, as soon as we closed and we opened back up, okay, right, key high, sexy, sexy trading. Key high, swing high, displaces down, fair value gap right in here. All right, comes and tags you in, and you see that, you see that, you see what it offers, you see. I don't even need to put it for you. And then we get it back on the come up. This is looking like a lower time frame entry. Okay, but either way, we have yesterday's lunch session low here, swing low, displaces back above the key low, fair value market structure shift A plus L, fair value gap here. All right, boom, gives you a couple take profits, and then it comes and takes you out. Comes and takes you out here. But this potentially could have given you another setup on a lower time frame. I'm not particularly sure because I haven't looked at the lower time frame, but we have an M5 setup anyway. Key low here, swing low, displacement back above. Okay, multiple fair value gaps. Okay, you always get in the one closest to price, but also comes into the second one. Bing bang, biggity bosh. That's this current trade right now. Sexy, ain't it? Sexy, sexy stuff. And it's like where did I take my L? I took an L, took two L's, but obviously that's because I didn't have my procedures and protocols in front of me, okay, for me to be able to refer back to them to know that I shouldn't be trading, okay, straight after the news comes out. But we got that now, so I'm happy. I'm happy and excited for the future. It's looking bright. It's looking bright. Okay, as you can see, we got a time. What is it telling you, right? Even though we're in between two key levels, and it can go either way. Below key low, we got swing low, displacement, market structure shape, fair value gap here. This will be the first presented fair value gap. We've got so much shit to drink. It just we have Asia session buy side above price. We also have PM session buy side above price here. This green shake will be my breakfast moving forward, okay? Along with my kombucha. It's really spinach, carrots, and orange juice. Let's see at that 9:30 if we would have been in there on the side. And someone probably tagged you in that one, yeah. Mention. But yeah, I think excuse me, sorry guys. God damn, rude. I think the 30-second chart, yes. 15-second chart I'm debating, but 5 second definitely a no for me. I'm debating on the 15-second chart, but I like the 30-second chart. I like that one. I can fuck with that one. And that would be as low as I would really want to go. I'm still evaluating the 15 second. But 30 second made the cut for sure. Mm. It's just carrots. I didn't blend properly. If it wasn't for the orange juice, I think this shake would be so nasty. But the orange juice gives it some kind of flavor, makes it taste good. Nothing left inside. Thank you very much. Next, kombucha. Daily Journal. What's up, man? What's up? I just want to say that one of my projects that I'm working on this year, well, started last year, this that I'm working on is moving forward, and I'm so happy and pleased and excited. I cannot wait to share that with you and with the world. It's gonna be an amazing product. Okay, we're gonna help a bunch of people out here. Okay, in these markets, we're gonna help them make some money. Okay, so yeah, that's the goal, man. Gonna help a bunch of people. And also obviously make money at the same time, okay? But it's not just about the money for me anyway. Okay, I know that the money will come. I want to gift this, not gift it, but I want to bring this out. I want to make it accessible, okay, to more people, all right? What's going on here and what we're able to accomplish here in these markets, all right? This is where the money game is played, okay? So this is where people should be, right? This is where it should be. But obviously, when people come in here, they don't come in with the right mindset. They're not taught the right things. There's so many misinformation about the markets out there and about trading that they end up blowing out, losing, and just not sticking to it, right? And it just yeah. So I wanna well, that's my purpose, right? That's what I'm on. I want to bring more people to this place, because this is where the money game is played, okay? And we live on an economical planet, okay? Everything, no matter how much you wanna, whatever, not like money or money is evil, but that's all like bunch of lies that we've been told. But yeah, we need money to survive on this planet, and we live on an economical planet. It thrives and lives off money. So if you don't have it, all right, you're gonna struggle. Okay, and a bunch of people are struggling, and there's so much money out there that we don't need to be struggling. Okay, so that's my purpose. That's what I wanna give to the world. Okay, so I believe that's Yeshua's purpose for me. Okay, on this earth. So I'm trying to live up to that and do the best that I can to help the people, my people, everybody in the world, essentially, right? I don't know how to phrase it, but that's the path I'm on, and that's my journey. Okay, so everything I do, all right, is with that intent. How I can make it easier for the next person, right? Coming into this industry. Because when I came in, if I knew what I know now, right? Or if I had somebody like me that want that, or yeah, if I found somebody like me that could obviously teach me the ropes of what I know now, it would have made my journey so much easier and so much quicker. I would have cut out so much bull crap that I went through. Okay, and I would have cut out my learning experience by like 2 years or less or more, all right? Okay, and yeah, but everything happens for a reason. So it is what it is. I had to go through all that to get to where I'm at. So, but I don't want the next, excuse me, I don't want the next person to go through what I had to go through. If they can avoid that, if I can help them avoid that, then that's what I want to do. If they're willing and open, okay, because you have to be willing and open and dedicated to invest your time and a small portion maybe of money, whatever, okay, to learn. I'm open. I'm willing to open to help any and everybody. It's not my skill to keep to myself. Okay, it's a skill that I've been blessed with. Okay, so I can bless others with it in whatever way they want to be blessed with, right? Because not everybody's gonna want to be a trader. Okay, so I want to have different options for everybody. Not everybody's gonna want to learn how to trade, nor is everybody gonna have the capacity and the capability to be able to trade and take losses and accept that, right? So some people would want it done for them. Some people want to do it themselves. Some people obviously will want it to do it with me. Okay, so however you want to consume, however you want to take the information, all right. However you want, whatever you want to do with the information, I want to give you the opportunity, the access, all right, to be able to take the different roads to get that done. So I'm excited, man. Like I said, I'm excited. I'm excited for the future. I'm excited. Good things are coming. Good things are coming. So they're both medium on Econoday, and Econoday is what I really pretty much follow. Okay, so let's see. Anyway, 9:50 macro is about to kick off soon, so we'll see if anything arises there. We're at PM session. Okay, so yeah, that I need to have one there. I do need to have that one there. Show for sure. PM session from yesterday. Cool, cool, cool. And we have AM session buy side from yesterday right here. So let's have that on there as well. For the last 3 days, okay, I want to have that information, but obviously two and then three will be there. So we'll stick with that last day for now. Yeah, where did the open range? Oh, it's the morning, so it's all the way down here. Remember, I extended it all the way out, and I was saying that I don't want them extended it maybe to the days down here, or not all the way. But for now, because it's untouched, we'll leave it alone. It wasn't touched. It wasn't untouched. That's what I meant to say. Um, I want to extend it. Uh, I'll use it for the day, and once the day's done, that's it. I don't want it to be extended. Yeah, it doesn't need to be extended. For me, for now, anyway, I don't want it to be extended. Da-da-da-da. I'll do it the same. Okay, cool. Yeah, that I'm fine with. So we have PM session buy side or AM session buy side here and PM session buy side here, which we're in close proximity. Da, 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 da. Didn't take Asia buy side yet. Well, you technically have work for the thing, so no, no my trade. Yeah, I am making a protocol and procedures list, okay, for me and my test tubies. So that's my next project I'm working on to fix to have everything on that on this one page. Okay, so it's a one page thing that we have in front of our charts every day that we're trading. We have everything all in one place for us. I want to actually blow it up actually and have it like a not like a like a poster actually, like that would be cool. Like here we'll have my processes, my procedures, my model, everything, risk management, trade management, all in one place. So it's like I'm in front of everything, right? Everything is, yeah, that was something I remembered about the news. NFP. Okay, 950 macro. Okay, again a swing low, displacement back above a key low. Okay, let's see if a fair value gap is taken here. All right, we got key levels in close proximity. Okay, so it'll be interesting to see how price behaves here. Okay, once you taking that Asian session buy side there, I believe. Yeah, it's taken is above it. Excuse me. This the high of this is what 549.50. High of this 550. Yeah, it's taken it. It's traded two and through it. So we could potentially have a buy set up here, but depend on how price behaves after taking this Asia session buy side. Above that, we have yesterday's buy side, yesterday's previous daily high. Okay, we have a monthly high up here. We have a weekly high. We have a couple highs above price, and then we have PM session buy side from Friday above price there. So let's tape read this trade because this is a macro session trade and it happens inside of the macro. Depending on the fair value gap being confirmed here, this will be our entry. Stop loss here. We're looking at risk 119. If a fair value gap is confirmed above here, then we'll be moving the entry there. And it looks like it will be confirmed. So entry would go here. We're buying, so we +1 here before, -2 here, 5. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Take it to 102. Nothing on the 30-second either. So this is the setup I'm looking at right here. Yeah, practically the same entry then. Depending on if we get a swing high or the displacement to the downside, even a fair value gap SIBI, okay, this trade will be cancelled and will be onto the buy, onto the sell trade. But for now, okay, this is what's permanent right now. This buy setup. So following it, gonna tape read, see if we get tagged in or not, and see the outcome. But yeah, because Forest Factory has them as a medium impact news. Okay, I'm fine to take a trade before the news because they're medium impact news, and that's one of my conditions, my protocols, and my procedures is that I can trade before medium impact news, but high impact news is a no for me. Ooh, that green smoothie working already. Either that or the kombucha, but something's working. Stomach is bubbly. But I already took a shit earlier, so what more is there to come out? Oh, no, that's not what I want to turn off. If FOMC news in the PM session, then expect choppy price action in the AM trade PM session. Clean up setups. So I'm trying to think of all the procedures and protocols. Obviously, I'll be adding as I gather more data and information. NFP week, first Friday of the month, down trading after Wednesday. I'm switching if you're going to trade post trading in different accounts and account. Not looking like it wants to tag us in there. Not looking like it wants to tag us in there. Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. All right. Excuse me. Taking yesterday's previous daily high didn't give us an opportunity there, but this was the setup here. And it just didn't give us an entry. I'm going to put that to the side because we could potentially be getting a sell setup formation here. Let's see if the 5 second would have gave us something there around that time. Yeah, it was a 5 second trade there. Depending on where the low was at. That was the low. Five, three, four. 5, 3, 4. Then giving you a setup. This is where the low was at, so and that setup was all the way down here. So no, but I see you. No on that. Let's focus here. Or we can focus on these two. Eventually. All right, we got buy side and sell side confirmed on a 1 minute time frame for opening range. News already's come out now. Okay, so antennas are high. Okay, the hunt is afoot. The hunt is afoot. Um, oiled my hair yesterday, so it's nicely moisturized and got some life to it a little bit. It's fed, okay, for the next couple of days. But I need a cut. But not right now. I'm okay right now, looking scruffy. I'm okay right now, looking scruffy. Okay, I'm cool with it. I got no qualms looking squaffy. Squaffy. When the time comes, all right, I'll look right. I'll look right. I'll get right. Taking open range by side there. Okay, confirmed on a 5 minute. It was the same. It was the same. So it's taken on the 5 minute as well. Yeah. Yeah, practically it was the same. Not practically, it was the same. There you go. Taking open range by side there. Okay, so dollars dropping lower. Looking like it's disrespecting this order block here. So dollars dropping, okay, NQ will be going higher. Hmm. Like I said, the bodies tell the story, right? The bodies are closing right at the high of that BISI, saying it's got higher to go. You have the remainder here, this inefficiency. Then we have buy side. Came down into a monthly low. We have a monthly high here. So depending on how it behaves at this monthly high. No, it's probably giving us a setup here. This was a failed setup. Setup would have failed on the 4 hour. 1, 2, 3. Have a league up here, swing low. All right. I could be wrong in my weekly and program, okay? Like I said, it was off the cuff and I didn't really like do a proper one that I would. But either way, I'm buying and I'm selling, so it doesn't really matter to me. Nothing really matters to me. I have to make sure I have access to this buy side here on the 1 minute. So let me do that. Here is a weekly, it's a weekly, it's a weekly high. Feel like a glove. Oh, key low, swing low. This place is up. Fair value gap here. Key low, swing low. This place is up. Fair value gap here comes in at a 9:30 open. And now it's rallying higher. All right, all right, all right, all right. I see you. Just one obviously would have been taken out there. Oh, did you hear that? Just farted. DJ, did you hear that? Like I said, even the kombucha or the green smoothie is working quick. Or the combination of both is just sped everything up in there, but there we go soon. It's when I get up to go is when I'm gonna miss the sell. We're at old monthly high. Okay, so we should see some, well, we shouldn't see, but we would anticipate some bearishness here. Anticipating and seeing is two different things. Getting a tiny fair value gap there on the 1 minute time frame here. Snap, crackle, and pop. Yeah, -1 would have tagged you in there by the time. Ooh. 15-second chart time frame trade. I'm a 15-30 second. All right. Yeah, I go. BRB DJ. Back DJ, back DJ. All right. Oh, fair value gap right here. That was the entry. That was the entry. High, high. They're going the same high, so they count as one candle. One, two, three. Third candle involved in a tiny, tiny fair value gap there. Yeah, it's there. So let's do it. Minus do one. Selling will be 2 plus 2. 6 is the 5. Uh, this is what? 363675. 63675. Right here. As you can see, we had a M30 trade here. This one been here. Also have a old kilo there. So vas-y, vas-y. You would have been tagged in that trade at 1024. Now would be in the market and the model's hands. Here, really and truly, I was sitting on the toilet thinking about it. You wouldn't be getting in because the setup wasn't formed inside of the macro. Okay, and yesterday we established that we want the setup to form completely inside of the macro. This is outside of the macro, and then you wait till post 10:15 to see if you get a setup, and we did here. Okay, so now we're in there. Oh, I never got the word yesterday, did I? Shit. Damn, I didn't finish my Wordle yesterday. Never know what the word is. Whoa. 63675 636. 15-second chart trade there. 30-second chart trade. Already in the 1 minute one. This could be a potential another 1 minute if it confirms a fair value gap here. You'd be getting tagged in that. Getting tagged in that. Nothing on the 1 minute. will be taking an L there. I understand. ICT. I get it, Michael. I get it. That's me. Bloody hell. That was not good. Swing high, gain a displacement. We're not back below the key high yet, so nothing for us to do. But we're observing here. All right, now we're back below that key high. If this fair value gap is confirmed, okay, we'll be gaining right before 1050 macro. So I'm gonna tape read. I have no qualms. I don't need to get anything in on demo. So let's get ready to see if we get entry. See if this fair value gap is confirmed. All right, you would have been tagged in that at 1048. Like I said, bearing in mind this is right before 1050 macro. Okay, so I don't know if I would be actually getting into this, but it's a good data to collect here. It's still it's post 1015, so but right before the macro. That's what I wanted to know. How far before the macro should I be getting in the trade? So this would be a good trade to see. This is why the 15-second will begin. Left to where, right? Where is that, right? Second chart trader.
Yep.
30-second chart trader. Like two of this swing high. Of this candle. Or would it take you out there? Sometimes it really be like watching paint dry. For sure, for sure. Well, NFB Tuesday is crazy, huh? Oh, yeah. I don't know if this would have been hitting TP1 there. It says it would be hitting it, but I'm not particularly convinced that. Okay, you getting taken out there? Yeah, I'm not convinced it would have taken you out. If you're this close to the micro, you just might as well just wait till micro. Okay, good to know. Could be definitely wrong on my weekly program there. 11. The motherfucker's loud outside, boy. All right, I have to get ready for a meeting, DJ, so I'm gonna go ahead and be done here, okay? I'll obviously be paying attention to the rest of price action for the week on my phone. I mean, on the week, on the day on my phone, all right? So nothing really here for me to see. No really setup. Obviously, the setup was on a 5 minute chart and it was pre-market setup, okay? 650 macro there. I know the setup here, but that's not really my setup, okay? So nothing on my end here for me to do. So that'll be it for the morning session. Let's do a trade performance review and be done here. What I did well today is that I showed up, all right, got 1% better, okay, gained experience, learned the lesson in these markets, and also I showed discipline in terms of not wanting to trade my funded account, okay, now that I have been rerouted, okay, to the right path that I need to be on in terms of not expecting a trade every day, which is what I've been doing, taking trades every day. And this is my initial, obviously, year in following this model process. Obviously, I'm not going to be like perfect, all right? So I shouldn't be placing so much emphasis on trading every day. Okay, just one good trade a week or one bad trade a week and just take a break from it and demo trade and take read and see where the self will form and if it would have panned out and how it would have panned out. Okay, to obviously build more confidence and as I grow in my confidence in my knowledge and my experience, obviously then I can get to an everyday trading type thing. But for now, I'm not there yet. Okay, I think I was pushing the throttle a bit too much. All right, so so yeah, taking a break. All right, taking the calm break and just not a break, but like just taking a slow, easy pace. Okay, bite size only. All right, so I'm happy and pleased myself about that. Also, I'm happy I woke up at a decent hour today. Okay, got my morning routine in. Even had time to like make my shakes and do something for like to drink and all of that. So I'm happy about that. Hold on. Bless me. All right, thank you, DJ. Where I fell short today. Where did I fall short? Where did I fall short? Nothing in the charts today. I didn't fall short. Nothing in the charts today because really there was nothing I risk. All right, so and the trades that I taped right, it was all following the model. Okay, so there was nothing there. Really, this is what I really wanted to pay attention to see if a setup is formed right before the macro. What happens, right? That's my next phase, what next testing or collecting data on my setups before the macro and what happens, right? So, where did I fall short? Really and truly, I think I was on point today. I was on point today. I ain't fall short anywhere, really. I wouldn't say. Yeah, nothing in the charts really. Nothing to report back there for you, DJ. How I can improve for next trading day. It's just keep showing up every day. Okay, get 1% better. All right. Don't try to it's not Olympic fleet here. Okay, don't try to make um our our journey okay shortened or don't try to take leaps. All right, it's one step incremental growth. Okay, 1% better, like I say, or 1% better. Don't try to jump or skip. Just keep following the process, the procedures and protocols that you have in place. Also, yeah, I'm like I said, I'm putting together that process. Not I already have the process, the procedures, the protocols, and the some of the rules that I need to follow while trading. Okay, so I'm getting that on a document. So yeah, pretty much that'll be it for today. Interesting morning session. Not really much happened in terms of our setup. Okay, well there were setups. There were setups in the chart, but obviously nothing that pertained to our setup. We had this setup here during the 950 macro. Okay, but we wasn't tagged in. It went without. It's fine. That's cool. We had a setup here, but it's not our time to trade. That's cool. That's fine. We had a setup here, but obviously we was not in the charts at the time. Okay, it was right here. right here and right here. Okay, it's not our setup. So there's setups in the charts, just one, not any for me to engage in. Okay, and I'm proud and happy and pleased with my performance. Okay, for not trying to be in the market when there was really no reason for me to be in the market, right? So stayed out, just watched it. It was like today it's been like watching paint dry a little bit. But hey, we're here, we gained the experience, and that's all we can ask for. All right. Yeah, that'll be it for today, DJ. Catch you on the flip side. All right, tomorrow we're back here for like that was so loud. Tomorrow we're back here for the remainder of the week. We'll be kicking off DJ at 8:15. Okay, so keep up the wake up schedule. Okay, you've been on point so far this week. All right, don't let down, girl. You're doing good. All right. Okay, so tomorrow on the remainder of the week, we're back here at 8:15 kicking off. All right, for NFP. Um, so only the mornings, only in the morning, and only in the morning. All right. No PM session news these. They don't have the Trump speech thing on here. So is he really speaking? Let's refresh this and see. Yeah, no, we don't have it. But yeah, that will be it. That's my schedule for the remainder of the week. All right, DJ. Catch you on the flip side, my boy. Happy hunting.